Did you know a single semiconductor sector stock in US market of $1,000 turned over $200,000 within 20 years? Yes, this is possible. And the company name is Nvidia. Last 5 years return was 1,251% and last 20 years return was more than 181 times. Yes, in that particular sector, that in semiconductor sector, huge demand is there. If you see the SIA report, the report a $630 billion semiconductor sector business in 2024 will be $1 trillion within 2030. That is unbelievable. Not only that, if you see that India growth level is more than unexpected. The $24 billion the business, yeah, that business will convert at $110 billion within 2030. That means more than 4 times, right? So this is unbelievable growth. So what are the company like Nvidia? Nvidia like company like AMD, like Intel, like Broadcom, like Micron, like Lam Research, all are there. But the question is not that. Question is there any company in India presently working same as Nvidia? The answer in short is no. There is no such company in India that can same as Nvidia in US market. But the question is, next question, is there any probability in future after 20 years is there will be any such company? Yes, there is some potential capability is there. So few companies. Today I will discuss what are the Nvidia's functionality. Next I will discuss about is there such company name those having such potential capability and why I think that company is having same facilities, same capability like Nvidia. Last of all, my bet or what I think about the company, which company I think it will be better. Anything, welcome back to Investor Mantra channel. I am Shoma. Important point जो है ये है अभी ये कंपनी Nvidia क्या काम कर रहा है, कहाँ पर काम कर रहा है, what is the main functionality of Nvidia. The company working on both sides. One is hardware side, second is software side. Nvidia working on artificial intelligence system, working on hardware level GPU, graphics process units and network chips also. Company working on semiconductor designing, semiconductor OSAT level काम कर रहा है. But this company is a fabless company. What do you mean by the fabless company? Fabless company मतलब है ये outsource करता है. मतलब this company outsource. मतलब the company designed. This company designed the chips etc. Circuits, total designing, gate level designing, and they outsource the total design to some other company like Taiwan's TSMC or Intel etc. So this is a very interesting company and maximum revenue coming from data center and artificial intelligence. More than 80% revenue comes from artificial intelligence and near to 18% from gaming. Gaming मतलब GPU specially gaming जो unit है graphics process unit के काम करते हैं. One side that particular Nvidia working as an artificial intelligence company working on data learning, data processing, and you will be surprised to know that company also working on ChatGPT, company artificial intelligence part in GPU level, working on Tesla driverless cars also using that particular designing. Not only that, total Google AI artificial intelligence is also use Nvidia chips. On the hardware level, Nvidia also working on software. They are build CUDA ecosystem. That is unbelievable growth level वाला एक software process है. This is working on software development. Developer libraries are using that particular CUDA software, CUDA ecosystem. Not only that, some development tools are also inbuilt there. That is also used. The GPU system, GPU also using that part. That means software level में भी काम कर रहा है. Now the most important question is there. Is there any company exist presently? No. Why not? Because Nvidia working on one side hardware level, second side software level. And not only that, they having copyrighted GPU. This is most important point you should have to know. Copyrighted GPU is totally different than other things. In India, those companies working using type of OSAT, they are designing tools, they are designing systems, they are in some through some electronic instrumentation system, they implanting in a printed circuit board chips, but they are not doing GPU type of work. Now the most important point today is there any company like NVIDIA? Course answer is no. But the question is there any possibility in future, next 20 years, 15 years, 20 years, is there any potential capable companies? Answer is yes. Company name first, I think Kaynes Technology. Kaynes Technology, aggressive printed circuit board designing company. Also working OSAT type. OSAT type means is outsourcing software, outsourcing semiconductor assembly and testing type of works. They are doing that type of job. This company also using huge level of capital expenditure. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट के ऊपर काम कर रहा है. रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ इज सुपर, 50 to 52% रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ इज देयर in financial 2024-25. More or less 4,995 crores investment in capital expenditure for research and development. So naturally, this is I think best company and near to NVIDIA, not same as that, because I already told you NVIDIA having some copyrighted GPU, more intense and huge level of research and developments are there. Come to the second point. I think second company name is Centrum Electronic, another company, a stable company working on EMS, electronic management services. इनके साथ साथ कंपनी का हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजाइन का काम, इनके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग काम, सब सिस्टम के ऊपर इनके साथ माइक्रो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के ऊपर काम कर रहा है कंपनी also having huge potential capability. Third company name is Dixon Technology. You know the name. It's a very media hyped company, and the company working on electronic management system. इनके साथ company also making smartphones, and huge level of smartphone already exported to different countries. इनका जो TV consumer electronic parts also manufactured by the Dixon company, having huge potential capability. Now come to the fourth company name, that is Netweb Technology, another fantastic company having huge potential capability. Also that company working same as NVIDIA type, that means they are the way like same as NVIDIA, having hardware level of काम ये कर रहा है, HPC servers and working on different type of supercomputer, super servers, artificial intelligence system के ऊपर काम कर रहा है. High growth है इनका हार्डवेयर एंड ऑल्सो द सर्विसेज, दोनों में कंपनी काम कर रहे हैं. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज माई बेट, व्हाई आई थिंक व्हिच वन इज नियर टू एनवीडिया और नेक्स्ट 20 years that company become like NVIDIA. See, there is 4 company already discussed. One of them is Kaynes Technology, another is Centrum Electronics, third one is Dixon Technology, fourth one is Netweb Technology. 4 companies are exceptional good company, but my bets on Kaynes Technology. Why I think Kaynes Technology is same? Because they have same way that company working on NVIDIA, that the same रास्ते पे चल रहा है, same way that company working on. That means NVIDIA working the same way like artificial intelligence, GPU, then server, supercomputer, and hardware and software network, chip designing, all the same way Kaynes working on same path. That means they are also working on artificial infrastructure, artificial designing, machine level working, and also working on the network side, network engineering side, OSAT side, matlab outsourced company, but the chip designs are done through the Kaynes Technology. And not only that, their hardware level, their growth scale, all are immense, excellent. So I think my best bet is Kaynes Technology. Not only that, that company also working printed circuit board, company heavily investing on component. Not only that, इनका जो OSAT critical piece भी डिजाइन करते हैं, that's another. And number 3 is इनका large order books है, strong growth level है, and government of India की तरफ से product link incentive मिलने वाला है, मिल गया है कुछ. So all these all are the most important, I think, for the season. Kaynes Technology in future will give you excellent return and in the way of NVIDIA. And not only that, First, second part, there is also some second part, network technology. Network technology also work in the same way. Artificial intelligence server पे वो काम करते हैं, they are working on AI server, AI HPC के ऊपर काम चल रहा है इनका जो basically think है वो strong growth rate है और I think both company having huge potential capability. Now, if you think both company are very strong, then you comment me the comparative analysis of two companies. One is Kaynes Technology, another is Network Technology. Which one is most powerful from the point of view, fundamental point of view, as a growth level, point of view, as a management? Just write down yes, then I will create another video on that matter.